Okay, this is a scale exercise regiment I would like you to try to do, and it relies on alternate picking all the way. So I'm going to start with my little finger on C. I'm going to play the C major scale in descending groups of 3 that sort of fold back over like this. So this is what I want you to do. We'll concentrate on the first couple of strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Okay, that's 2 strings. We'll go again. 3 and slower and down, up, down. And continue down. Slip. Slip forward again. So you saw me change position twice there. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, a little bit slower, and I'm going to really kind of make a point of where I change my first finger position. Okay, 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Here we go, and I slip back a fret and remain in that position until now. Then I move back. Oops, I got muddled up, but you get the idea. So you can do that as fast or as slow as you're able to. The important thing is you're looking for consistent volume and attack and timbre with your upstrokes compared to your downstrokes, and you're looking for consistent tempo and making sure that you're skipping strings properly this end.